Hey guys, who coming to my party? Me. It's not for kids, I said. It's better for you. Kids not coming to the party. I will go to the party. Bye-bye. Wait, Mom. Can I go too? I am 13 years old. Well, what? Can I come too? Okay, let's buy now. Let's go. Wait. Who are you? Oh, you're my daughter. Please help me. Help? I don't help you. Please help. Nobody help you. Bye-bye.
Bumili siya ng food.
Okay, let's go. Wait!
Kasi kaya, ikay-kaya.
Sa Banawi naman ako bumili. Sa may G2 ako bumili, sa may Cubao. Ng mags. Ng grade
Let's
ko.
go.
Concept 1 din yun.
We're here now, lover. I'm tired.
Sige, tulungan mo ako iba na.
Oh, I'm tired na. We have
Ay, gagi. Ay, gagi.
Banyakan niya nga to eh. Ewan ko ngayon ha.
Yes, we did it.
Kaya remote.
Grabe mo kasi baby.
Nel, kunin mo nga yung
Hindi
remote.
mo muna ng Gcash na.
Oo.
Ayaw.
Hindi maipasok yung pangalan mo eh.
Bakit?
She is my bestie, guys.
Kasi meron ka na yun.
She is my classmate in my school. Yeah, we are in the party.
Ay,